Ever thought about making your own arcade game out of cardboard? In this video, I show you how to make a super fun ball-throwing game that you can make at home with just cardboard, a glue gun, and a little creativity. First, I cut the main part of the cardboard to form a sloping arena for the ball to roll over. Then I made several holes of different sizes and gave them 2, 5, and 10 points. The smaller the hole, the higher the score. Once the base was done, I added colorful decorations to make it look more attractive and make you excited to play. Moving on to the most exciting part, making a ball. Launcher out of cardboard and rubber bands. With a simple yet effective design, this launcher can direct the ball straight to the target. Now it's time to test it out. I pull the launcher and let it go. The ball goes flying forward. Can it get into the 10-point hole? Let's watch until the end and see how exciting this game is. It's perfect to play with family or friends at home. Guaranteed to be addictive and fun together. If you like DIY ideas like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There are many other interesting creations that will make your day more creative. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.